Hi everyone, this is Sam. Welcome to the review video for AI Sales Converter. In this session, we'll explore how this platform assists users in discovering the most suitable products or services tailored to their specific needs and preferences. After logging into the member area, you'll find the total campaigns created, the number of products included, conversion rates, and the count of user visits. Next to this is the campaign statistics section. In this area, you can view detailed campaign insights in a graphical format. At the bottom, you'll find the most suggested products based on customer responses in the campaign surveys. Let's move on to how you can create a campaign. Here, you'll need to name your campaign. I'll use electronics as an example and then hit the Continue button. Next, you'll see 3 campaign types: lead generation, selling products and services, and booking qualified calls. If you want to capture leads, choose lead generation. To promote products, select selling products, and to schedule calls, pick booking services. For this demo, I'll select selling products and services. Click on it and press continue. You'll now see 4 steps required to complete your campaign setup. The first step involves adding products. Here, enter details like the product name, redirect URL, website link, and a description to display in the survey. Let's start by entering the name and redirect URL. Next, input the website link. You can create a product description manually or use the AI-generated option. Click here to generate a description automatically. Alternatively, you can type the description yourself. This is an example of a generated description. If you don't like it, you can regenerate until you're satisfied. You'll also find an option to display testimonials at the end of the survey. Additionally, you can add discount coupons and product links. If needed, you can include more products here. Once done, click Save and Continue. You'll now see that questions and answers have been generated automatically. These will be presented to your visitors, and their responses will determine the most relevant product for them. If you're not happy with the questions, you can regenerate them. Once they look good, save and continue. Now you can select a theme for your survey, either a widget theme or a page theme. They've included pre-built layouts for you to choose from. I'll select the widget theme for this demo. Next, you can customize the theme, including color settings, font styles, and messages shown to users. You'll also find options for the widget button, including adding an avatar image. You can enable the opt-in form here, allowing visitors to enter their name and email address. This form can appear before showing products or at the start of the survey. Next, select your autoresponder. After choosing one, select a list and click Continue. Your campaign is now ready to go. You can share it directly using a link or embed it into your website. To embed, copy the code and paste it into the HTML of your web page before the closing body tag. I've already done this for my demo page, and here's how it looks. You'll see the chat widget displayed here. Let's test it out. Answer the questions, and the platform will suggest the most relevant product based on the responses. Click here to access the recommended product. This is how AI Sales Converter helps your users find the best suited products for their needs. What about bonuses? You will receive various and numerous cloud-based apps powered by AI assistants, a chatbot creation app, AI marketing tools, various social media traffic apps, traffic link and bio page creation app, website creation apps, sales pages, an assets creator app, AI website cloner app, various video creation apps, copywriting apps, SEO apps, stock media platforms, graphic apps, and much more. Please visit the link in the description box for all the info about bonuses. Let's quickly break down the AI sales converter funnel and what each offer brings to the table. The front-end offer at $47 provides everything you need to automate selling with AI. It delivers instant product recommendations, personalized customer journeys, and smart features like quizzes, surveys, discounts, and follow-ups. Perfect for any niche. It also includes a free commercial license to help you start earning right away. The FastPass option gives you access to all upsells at a discounted price. The first upsell, priced at $67, unlocks unlimited customer journeys, email lists, and chatbot themes. It also includes sales templates, 10 autoresponder integrations, and automated list building for maximum scalability. With the $97 agency income upsell, you can customize the app with your branding, add team members, access a proven agency blueprint to scale your business, and land high-paying clients. For $97, the Reseller Profits upsell lets you sell AI Sales Converter as your own product, keeping 100% of the profits. It comes with done-for-you materials like a website, sales copy, email swipes, and customer support. At $37, Instant Traffic provides tools to generate leads and ensure your emails land in inboxes, making it easier to connect with prospects and close deals. Finally, the $37 Ultimate Done-for-You upsell gives you a fully functional online store with 350 plus ready-to-sell products and an easy-to-use dashboard.
Hello friends, welcome to the demo video of the AI Sales Converter. In this video, we will explore the options that are required for guiding your users in finding the perfect product or services based on their needs and preferences. After logging to the member area, this is the very first screen where your user will be redirected. Here you can see the total campaigns, total products added in the campaign, conversion rate, your user visit count. Then next to it is the campaign statistics option. Here you can check out the campaign's detail in a graphical format, and at last you can see the most suggested product as per the user input that are provided by a customer in the campaign survey. So let's begin how you can create a campaign. Hit the campaign option. You will be redirected to this screen where you can see the details of the already created campaign, and for creating the new campaign, hit the create new button. Here you need to enter the name of the campaign. I am going with the electronics and hit the continue button. Here you can see the campaign type as lead generation, sell product and services, and book qualified calls. If you want the campaign for lead generation, you can select that, and for selling the product you can select the second option, and for booking services you can select the third option. I am going with the second one, that is selling the product and services. Select it and hit the continue button. Now here you can see the 4 steps that needs to be performed for creating the campaign. The very first one is for adding the product. Here you need to enter the detail of the product like name, redirect URL, website URL, and its description that you want to show in the survey. So let's begin with enter the name, enter the redirect URL. Here you can enter the website URL. From here you can write the product description through AI. So click on it. You can also enter the product description manually using this option. You can see the description has been generated. If you didn't like this description, you can also regenerate it. Then here is the option to show testimonials at the end of the survey. With this option, you can add the discount coupon code with the product link. After that, here is the option to add more product. After entering the products, click the save and continue. Here you can see the question and answers has been generated. These questions will be asked to the visitor, and based on their answers, the product will be suggested. If you didn't like the questions, you can also regenerate them, and if they are good to go, then you can save and continue. From here, you can choose the theme of your survey, like widget theme, or you can also go with the page theme. Here we have provided some pre-built layout that you can use. I am going with the widget theme. I am selecting this one. Here is option for customizing the theme, where you can customize the color setting, font family, font style, font color. You can change the message. Here is also setting related to widget button. You can choose the avatar image, and here is an option to enable the opt-in form. It will ask name and email from your site visitors. You can either select it before showing the product, or you can also show it at the beginning of the questionnaire. Then in the next option, you have to choose the autoresponder. Based on the selected autoresponder, you have to choose the list and hit the continue button. Your campaign will be created. Now you can use it by directly sharing the link, or you can also use this embed code for showing the campaign survey. So with embed code, you can copy the link of the embed code, and you can add this code in your HTML page before the body tag. I have already copied it and added in my HTML page, and it is showing like this. Here you can see the chat widget. So let's get started. Answer the questions. You can see based on the answers that are provided in the survey, you will get the best suited product, and you can click here to access this product. So in this way, AI Sales Converter is helpful for guiding your users in finding the best suited product. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome again to the video tutorials of AI Sales Converter. In this video, we will check how you can create the campaign for selling the product or services. So for that, click on create new option, enter the campaign name, the product that you want to sell. Hit the continue button and select the campaign type as sell product and services. After that, hit the continue button. You will get the same 4 steps that we have checked in our earlier video. At the very first, you need to enter the product detail. So write the product name. Here you need to enter the redirect URL where user will be redirected after answering those questions. So let me add the URL. Here you need to enter the website URL. Next to it is this option for generating the product description through AI. For this you have to enter the OpenAI key in the integration option of the dashboard here. We will check this in overview video. Then hit this button. So on the basis of the product detail that you have entered, AI generate the content for your product. You can also enter the product description manually. If you didn't like the product description, you can regenerate it. After that, you can show the testimonials at the end of the survey. Here you can add the 3 testimonial images that we have checked earlier. So the images are added. Now you can also show a discount coupon code. If you want to show, then you can enable this option. Now we'll add one more product, ointment. Similarly, enter the redirect URL and product URL for this and generate the product description. After that, we can add one more product here. Generate the product description. Let me add testimonial images here too. And after completing this step, click the save and continue. So AI will analyze the details or the products that you have added, and on the basis of that, it will generate a few questions that your site visitor have to answer, and based on these answers, tool suggests the best product for your site visitors. Then hit the continue button. You can choose the widget theme or you can also choose the page theme. I am going with the page theme. Now for this campaign, let me select this one. After that, you can also customize this theme Like you can change the theme color, you can change the font family, you can upload the logo, answer background color, then you can change the button text color. After that you can select the background type as solid color and you can choose the background color here. From here we can choose the avatar image. Here you can either enable this opt-in form, that is if you want to ask user email and name before showing the product or before showing the questions, you can enable this option, and if you don't want to take the user detail, you can disable this option. So after that, if you have enabled this option, then select the autoresponder and select the list and hit the continue button. For this campaign too, you will get the share link or the embed code. You can use any of these. I am going with this one and paste the link here. So you will see, you will get this screen. Now get started. So based on the question, your site visitor will answer this question, like then so I have to write the name and hit the submit button. So you can see based on the answers, cavity filler is the product which is suggested, and you can access the product by clicking on this button and you can view the testimonials from here. So click here. So your site visitor will be redirected to that particular product which is suggested. Now let's move to the campaign option. So here you will see the campaign that you have created. Your user visit is 1, your conversion rate is 100%. The campaign type is of sell product, and here you can view the page. You can also you can also copy embed code or copy page link from this share option. This option allows you to view the campaign. Here you can rename the campaign, and from last you can delete the campaign. So in this way you can create campaign for selling the products. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome again to the video tutorials of the AI sales converter. In this video we will understand how you can create campaign. So first you have to log into your member area dashboard and navigate to campaigns option here. You will see the screen where you will see the list of the already created campaigns. For creating the new, hit this button, enter the campaign name, like I'm going with my first campaign. After that, hit the continue button. Here you need to select the campaign type, like for lead generation or for sell product and services or for booking services. So I'm going with the very first one, lead generation, and hit the continue button. The campaign creation process has 4 steps. The very first one is the add product. Here you need to enter the name of the product, then its URL and description. So I am going with like social media marketing. Here you can enter the product URL. You can enter any URL. After that you have to write the description. After that, if you want to show testimonial at the end of the survey, then you can enable this option. Here you can add the image. You have to select any 3 image. I have selected these 3 images. They will appear like this. After that, if you want to offer an discount coupon code, then you can enter the coupon code here by enabling this option or keep it disabled. After that, we can add more product here. In a campaign, we can add only 3 products. So next is email marketing. You can write any URL. Here you can enter the description similarly that we have done earlier. Similarly, you can show testimonials and you can add coupon code. After that, you can add one more product here, and after the 3rd product you are not allowed to add more. Then hit the save and continue. I have not added the proper URL, so it shows me a alert message. Let me add it. The AI will analyze the detail that you have added, and on the basis of that it shows the some question that will be asked to your customer or the visitor of the site where you will add the URL of this campaign. So here are some questions. You can also regenerate those questions if you didn't like them, and then go with save and continue. After that, next step will come. Here you can choose the theme, that is the appearance or layout which will be visible to your site visitor. We have 2 options, that is widget theme or you can choose the page theme. I am going with the widget theme at the moment and selecting the second one. After that, you will also have option to customize it. So you can change the theme color, change the font family, style, and you can change the font color of the chat or questions that will appear here. You can enter the welcome message as per your need. Here you can change the button text, like here you can change the button background color. You can also add a button icon. Here you can choose the avatar image. Then here is opt-in form setting. You can select the opt-in form to be displayed before showing the product, at the end of questionnaire, or at the beginning of the questionnaire too. I am going with this one. Here you can select the autoresponder, and on the basis of the selected autoresponder you can choose the list. And after making the customization, you can also preview it from here, and after that hit the continue button. So here you will get the link of your campaign, that is you will get 2 links. You can use this link directly, copy paste on your browser to check the campaign. And here you will get the embed code. So there are some instruction to use the embed code. You have to copy this embed code by clicking on this button. After that, you have to put in your HTML page, any web page that you have created using HTML before the body tag. So I have a HTML page. Let me paste it. And save it. Then after that, let me open this HTML page. So you can see the widget appear here, and click on it. So get started. After that, you have to answer these questions. Enter the name and email here. And hit the submit button. So you will get the perfect match based on the answer that you have provided to the questions raised above. And you can click here. So your user will be redirected to that particular website or product URL that you have added. Now we can also copy this link and view the campaign like this. The submit button. So you can click here for getting the product, or you can also view the testimonials that we have added. So click here. So you will be redirected to this product URL. In this way, you can create the campaign and add it on your web page. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome again to the videos of AI Sales Converter. In this video, we will check how you can create the book call type campaign. For that, hit the create new button, enter the campaign name, then select the book qualified calls campaign type, hit the continue button. Here you need to enter the services that you want to show to your users. Then you have to add the Calendly meeting URL and description. So I am writing this. Here we need to enter the Calendly meeting URL. I already have a URL on Calendly. You can enter the description, whatever you want. Here you can show the testimonials. You can add the coupon code. From here you can add one more service. Enter the meeting URL. Similarly, enter the description. After that, hit the save and continue. Now, based on the details that you have added in the service step, you will get the questions. You can regenerate those questions, or if these questions are good to go, then hit the save and continue. Now from here you can choose the widget theme or page theme. I am going with this widget theme as of now. From here you can customize the theme. As we have checked in our earlier video, you can change the color, select the avatar image. Here you can see the opt-in form is enabled by default, so you need to select the autoresponder and hit the continue button. So at last you will again get the share link or embed code. So copy this link, put it on your HTML page and save those HTML page and open that on the browser. So you can see the widget button appears here. Now let's start answering the questions. So here you will get the link for scheduling a call. So on clicking you will be redirected to this booking URL where you can select the schedule. So in this way you can create a booking type campaign, and from here this leads option you can select the campaign and check out the leads. Like for financial advisory we have received a lead, that is username Sia, its email, and you can view the responses from here, date, and you can delete. You can also export the external leads from this option. So this is about how you can create the booking call campaign type. Thank you.